Welcome back. We're gonna award the 3 winners from the team they have worked so hard. They have earned it.
Who?
Our freestyle winner.
Awesome.
Dennis Anderson.
All right.
Our donut competition, Adam Anderson.
Another Anderson?
And for our racing champion is Morgan Kane.
Oh, somebody not an Anderson finally.
So these are our 3 winners from Team Grave.
Cool.
And they have dedicated it to their very hard work.
Yeah, very hard.
And they have gotten the award-winning grant.
Oh.
So they are the award trucks right here.
Yep,
At Monster Jam Atlanta at the Georgia Dome.
Yep, they post for photos with everyone, and it's everyone's time to go home. Get kind of stuck in traffic when we leave there, but it's okay. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.